Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to make a tissue paper heart-shaped decor. You can also use it for your home decor, or you can use this for Valentine's. All you need is a hard thick sheet of paper. If you have it, don't use the printer paper or the regular sheet of paper. Try to use something if you have a little bit thicker, like a cardboard paper or a cereal box, or any kind of box is fine. Make sure you don't use those thin papers. Next you'll need is a A4 size printing paper. You need is a tissue paper, which you can buy at a dollar store. This is just the open one, but this is the one that comes in packing, so you can buy any color you want. Next you'll need a pencil, a scissor, a glue. If you have a heat gun, you can use a heat gun, and a ribbon. So we're gonna start off with A4 size printing paper. To make a heart, usually you can make a heart like this, straight, but that's not gonna come out perfect. So you try to fold this paper in half. Make sure it's perfect. So that way if you draw a half heart and cut it, it's gonna come out perfect when you open it from both the sides. So now we can try to make a heart. Now cut it the way it's drawn. So the heart's ready. Now make sure you take the thick sheet of paper and trace this as it is. Two of them ready here for front and back. You just need to glue this. So this is glued. Next you'll need this tissue paper here. It has different layers, as you can see. Since this is not straight from here, I'll just try to cut this straight and then make a square. You can draw it and then cut it, or you can just try to fold this into half and then cut it into a square shape. Any shape is fine, small, medium, large. So I have this tissue paper is cut in square shape. Take the square shape paper that is just cut it into half. Put some glue here. We're gonna start off with the corners. Try to blend it. Now use this paper. You can use a pencil, the back side of the pencil. Try to put it in the middle here. Right in the middle. Twist it a little bit. Should be like this, and then stick it on the glue. Take another sheet of paper and repeat the same. Make sure you don't leave too much gap. Try to stick it by its side. So guys, I have covered the entire heart with the papers, and now we'll try to cut the excessive part from sides so that way it looks clean heart shape. So as you can see that the front side is all ready. Now we're gonna do the back part. But before doing that, make sure you stick the rope. If you want to keep it long, you can try to hang it a little bit. You can try to take a little bit more rope and try to stretch it. If you want to keep it short, then cut the excessive part of the rope. So the final product is ready. That's how it looks like when it's done. If you have liked my tutorial, make sure you do like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.